Hey loves, this is Billy B here. So I got free contact lenses from Dtli. They are so gorgeous, soft in the eye, and look at the packaging, so beautiful. So I have 3 pairs in here. So we're going to be trying them on, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's amazing. They have free stuff too as well. Just look at the packaging. Just look at the packaging. Okay, so the one that I have here is in the orange package. It's called the DTLEYE Aurum Brown Lens. So this is the Aurum Brown Lens, y'all. So I'm going to be trying this pair on, and as well as the other one. So I just want to go over them first, and then we'll try them on. Now the next pair in this dark blue case is the DTLEYE lens in Egypt green. This is the Egypt green contact lens. I think this is my favorite. And then I have this in light blue packaging, and this is the DTLEYE Aurum Brown. This is the Aurum Brown. So this one is almost like your regular dark brown eye color. Oh, also look at the packaging. I mean, look at the little cute cases. Cute cases. And they have little tools inside. You know, if you need help picking out the lens, the pick, and the suction tool. Not sure exactly what it's called, but I use that, and sometimes I use my hands, so just whichever one is comfortable for you. See how nicely cute it is. I just love it. So I can put each pair in each contact cases. Thank you, Dtli. So let's go over and try them on. So I laid them out so that, you know, I have my hands are clean washed, so I can go over them. That's the green, the Egypt green. This is the Autumn brown, and that is the blue, the Medol blue. All right, so let's go ahead and try it on. Now, like I said earlier, you can use the suction toolkit to get. Now, I was having a couple of troubles because I had my makeup done prior to trying on the lenses. You want to make sure you try the contact lens on before the makeup. Now, I had to put my lashes back on so that I can take a beautiful photos for you guys. Let's see, and show you what it looks like. Yeah, so now this one that I have on right here, that is the Medol blue. Yeah, this is my second favorite. Actually, no, this is my favorite. I don't know, there's so many colors on there, so I love it. This one right here is the Autumn brown. See, that kind of matches my eye color, so it's not as much difference, but you can still see it, maybe in the sun, you know. But yeah, and this pair that I have on is the Egypt green. Yeah, this is my second favorite. So that's all, folks. That's all the lenses that I have to try out. Now, good thing is you can wear them for up to 12 months. You can use them up for up to 12 months. So make sure you keep them real nice in its cases, and you know, wear them out to parties, do makeup tutorials with them, whatever you have you. Thank you, Dtli. And also on their site they have great discounts, and I have a coupon code that would be BILKIS10, BILKIS 10, BILKIS 10. So go ahead and use the coupon code and on the website to get some discounts off, right? You can also choose quarterly or yearly disposable. They have that option for you as well. So yeah, thank you, Dtli, again for this wonderful pair of contact lenses. I enjoyed wearing them.